Ever wonder why hotel beds feel different? It's not magic, it's the hardware. I've always been curious which mattress brand 5-star hotel use, and I've recently discovered that Ambassador Bed, particularly the models featuring 2 different spring types, is a top choice for most luxury hotels.
Yung pinaka-spring niya po is straight na po siya na 2.0 mm. So, ibig sabihin, wala pong pinagkaiba yung mga spring niya, pantay-pantay. Pero, nakabalot po siya. So, pag hinigaan po natin siya, yung pinakamabigat po na part ng katawan natin is yung upper lumbar, tsaka lower lumbar. Yun po yung unang-unang lumulubog. It's either side sleeper ka, back sleeper ka, or stomach sleeper ka. Magiging straight pa rin po yung spine natin. So, ang bunal natin, nakafocus po tayo sa support, sa strength, and yung long-lasting po niya. And aside doon, meron din siyang kagandahan din sa circulation sa ating inside of mattress. Kasi once na humihiga po tayo sa iba't ibang klase ng kama, may mga time po na napakainit po nung kama na inihigaan natin. That's why pinagpapawisan tayo. Unlike po dito sa Ponel Spring natin, nagsisirculate po ng maayos.
This isn't just for looks. It's treated with sanitized technology to keep it safe from bacteria and dust mites. Truly an absolute peace of mind. Stop waiting for your next vacation to sleep this well. Invest in your serenity. Visit a dealer to test your comfort level today.